I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports OTG, because without it the pendrive won't mount. Once confirmed, attach a compatible OTG adapter or cable. If the drive needs extra power, use a powered USB hub. Make sure your File Manager app is installed and open it now, because you'll use it to browse the external drive. Plug the pendrive in, wait for the system notification that the device is mounted, and then proceed to browse the USB storage. Once the drive is mounted, navigate into the USB storage folder. Look for DSIM, pictures, or camera folders because that's where photos usually live. You should select files, tap and hold to multi-select or use select all for many images, and then choose copy or move. Next, browse to your phone's internal storage, open DSIM or pictures so the gallery can index them, and paste. Copying preserves originals, moving frees pendrive space. After transfer, let the phone finish media scanning. To finish, safely eject the pendrive from the notification shade or storage settings. This prevents file corruption. Then open your Gallery or Photos app and confirm the images appear. If they don't, refresh the app or reboot the phone so the media scanner runs. If the drive isn't detected at all, make sure OTG is enabled, try a different OTG cable or port, and verify the pendrive file system is supported, FAT32 or X.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.